Hello, my name is Sandya. I'm attached to Waikato University Management Center doing postgraduate studies. This is the University Lake. This is the best place I like to relax. University is all eco-friendly university, and I studied new things in university very much. Thames International has helped me a lot to come to this place. I must thank to Diploma and all the members in the Thames International for the great support they have given me to come to this wonderful place. We are looking forward to see you. Thank you.